Alright, so on today's agenda, I'm going to wash the baler. So, I've been wanting to do it. I gotta take it up front, and I'm gonna clean all the hay out of it, everything that's in it, get as much loose stuff out as I can, and hit it with the power washer. Some of you guys are like, what? No, don't take out that hay. Next bale won't form right. A lot of you guys probably are like, take it out. Next bale will be just fine. Probably most of you have that opinion, but I had a guy one time yell at me. My baler, my tractor, my hayfield, he was just the help. Yell at me because I was taking the last bit of hay out because I was going to store the baler outside for the winter. Oh no, you can't take that hay out, blah blah blah, my uncle's brother-in-law, sister's cousin doesn't do that, blah blah blah. I don't care what your cousin's sister-in-law's uncle's brother does. It ain't his baler. And he's probably got a nice shop to store his in. So, I'm going to unload the chamber. And I'm going to take it out and I'm going to wash it. And it's a little bit later in the day, it's 7 o'clock here. But, it's pretty warm, there's a slight breeze, so I'm hoping everything will dry. I just want to get, if it doesn't all dry, I'll take the air compressor and I'll blow the knotters out and everything, get all the water off them. And I'm going to wash it with some degreaser, so then I'll go through and re-grease everything. I think that should be good. If not, it'll be too late by the time I post the video because it'll already be washed. But I talked to a couple people, and they said you can wash a baler just as long as you dry it out, make sure everything's dry. And I didn't think you couldn't wash the baler. I just wanted to know if there was any no-nos to washing a baler. I mean, I let mine sit outside over winter uncovered one year, so we had a 46 International baler. Thing made cute little bales, but I think the 4010 was just too much power for it. That, and we had the it would be this arm over here. The arm that runs the needles broke one year, and we have no idea why it broke. It just broke. We were last 10 foot of the field, and the arm broke. Fresh brake, clean brake, and after that it just never worked right. Had problems with it cutting twine, or cutting, yeah, it was twine, it was sisal twine. Had problems with it cutting that, and we just decided it was time to get a different baler. Then we bought this baler and haven't hardly used it. So, yeah, let me get the tractor fired up, go up to the goats and unload that bale, and I'll get to try out my new pressure washer. I never even used it yet. So, stay tuned. See you in a minute. Alright, so I got the hay out. I got quite a bit of chaff and stuff out. There's still some in there. It'll come out easier probably once it's wet. Not so dusty. It's a little bit later in the day now, but I think it'll still dry off. My uncle stopped out and dropped the trailer off. I'm thinking about, let me hold you guys straight. Thinking about going to get a tractor. Maybe the deal ain't so much in my favor anymore, but up in Eden, I think's how you say it, New York. There's a International I-4 tractor. A guy's selling dirt cheap. It runs, and it's fairly straight. It's about as straight as that tractor is. But it needs 2 back tires, which I can buy them used for $100 each or so. And my uncle's dropping the gooseneck off. I was hoping I could use his truck, but he's going to be using it called my grandpa, and he's going to be using his truck, and I don't want to have to drive my F-150 4 hours over to New York and 4 hours back. And I definitely don't want to drive Betty that far, but I had him, well, I didn't have him bring the trailer over, he just did it. He brought the gooseneck over in case I do take Betty, but the guy that has the tractor said that somebody put a deposit on it last night, so, but he said that guy is not for sure if he's going to take it or not, so I might still have a chance to buy this tractor. If I buy it, it'll be the last tractor I buy for a while. I really wasn't looking to buy a tractor now, but I found this one for a heck of a deal. He only wants 600 bucks for it. So, that's what he brought the trailer over for. But, I might not get it now, so we'll save that story for another day if it happens. Anyways, back to the Baler. I'm gonna fire up the pressure washer, and this is the first time it's been run since I bought it. So let's see here. I don't think it's got a little primer on it. Oh yeah! Let's see what we can do. Uh-oh. I must have a kink in the hose. Check the hose out. Yep, there's a kink in it. There we go. So, I was also talking to my uncle about buying a new truck. He works for Chrysler, and he knows some of the ins and outs before everybody else does. So, talking to him, there's a dealer. The dealer I bought my car at's got a Dodge for sale, 3500. Come on. Gotta get all the air bubbles out. We're getting somewhere now. Alright, well, shoot. I'm going to set that there and let it run. I'm going to take you guys over here and set you up on a bucket you can watch. Oh boy, this thing's quite messy. And I said that maybe getting the chaff out would be easier with it wet. Wrong! I kinda thought it would be anyways, but you never know. What I'm doing now is, there we go. For some reason, my degreaser solution is not pumping through my pressure washer. So I'm gonna take me some engine degreaser and put around the knotters and everything. I want to get them somewhat cleaned up. My next thought might make some of you guys cringe, but because I think this is going to take a couple washings. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I think I might just leave it outside overnight. Yeah, I know, that might make some of you cringe, but it won't be the first time this baler's been outside. Oh, that's nice. See how this works. Never used this before. Looks like shaving cream. I'll go ahead and grease everything after I get it washed real good. Stupid bugs and mosquitoes are getting bad, and that's one of the reasons I'm probably going to wrap this project up here shortly. Getting off late doesn't give you much time to do anything. That's what the degreaser looks like. Shoot everything up, I guess. I wish my thing was working. I don't even know if you guys got that in the shot or not. But it's definitely a lot cleaner than it was, even when I bought it, or when Dad bought it. I didn't buy it, Dad did. Uh-oh. Comes the missus. Get off me, bugs. Alrighty, set you back up. Spray it off. Let me read the instructions. Engine should be warm. Okay. Allow product to penetrate for 15 minutes. What? I don't have that kind of time. Hi. I'm YouTubing. Washing the baler and fighting mosquitoes. So I will return in a minute.
try to stay quiet this whole video too, meanie. Said I was gonna try to stay quiet the whole video too, meanie.
It's cleaner.
It's cleaner.
I'll let dry out now. Then I'll try it again.
Look
in a
cute.
few days.
Kiss.
Oh, you're finishing.
I'm finishing my video.
And I can't be here.
And
Are you actually videoing?
yeah,
Oh my gosh, you got my whole cheek in there?
I got your whole cheek in there. I'm not gonna edit it out. Alright, so I got the baler washed up. You can see all the crap that come out of it. Some of that stuff's been there a long time because the metal's been eaten away. Like you can see how it's all rusted there. There was chaff and dirt there and everything else. Some of this chaff I don't think's ever been cleaned out since it was first ever used. Like look up behind the knotters there. It's all rusted out. This thing's actually a lot cleaner than I thought it would get. A lot more paint on it. Look at all that paint. I'm gonna leave it outside. Like I said, it's gonna rain, so that'll help get some of the stuff off of it, and it'll dry out. And then in a couple days, I'll hit it again. So I'm gonna unhook it from the tractor, put the tractor back in the barn, and put the pressure washer in the barn, and be done for the night because the mosquitoes are tearing me up. Alrighty, uh-oh, tractor's making noises. Alrighty, thanks for watching.